Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I have the 2019 Winter FabFitFun box for y'all. Came in the mail yesterday and I'm so excited to unbox this with y'all. First of all, thank you to FabFitFun for reaching out and sending this box to me. I do have a coupon code for y'all down in the description box below, so look for that if you're interested in getting this box. I absolutely love FabFitFun boxes, and no joke, this may be the best one I've seen yet. I'm obsessed with it. I love it. Let's get started. Oh, I love it. So inside it always comes with a little magazine. This one has Maria Shriver, which I love her. And then inside it explains the products that are in here, the prices that they are. I absolutely love this. And it just gives a little description of what it is. So let's see what I got in my FabFitFun box. You also get a few coupons. Nice. Here you go. It's packaged so cute. Right off the bat, I'm already loving what's in here. This is called the Battington Lashes, and I have the worst lashes. They're short, they're small, they're not curly, so I do have lashes on today, and I'm so excited to try these. It says they are 3D silk lashes, and they also have a glue kit in there, which is perfect, and these are valued at $32, which alone, I think you can get the FabFitFun boxes for $39, which is amazing. So if you like false lashes, it's good for that alone. I can't wait to try these out. Next, there is the Color Switch Instant Brush Cleaner. Oh my gosh, I have so much trouble with getting my brushes cleaned. I have purchased this mat from Amazon that's been helpful, but I don't feel like it really gets it completely clean. So I'm super excited to try this. So this is called the Vera Mona Color Switch Solo, and it says you do not need any water or liquids to clean your brushes. Oh my gosh, this would be amazing for travel. We go on trips, so this would be awesome for that. I'm so excited to try it. The value of this is $16.99, which already 2 items, you've already hit the price that you're gonna pay for the box, which is amazing. Oh my gosh. I have been wanting to try these. So I use Aveda shampoo and conditioner. I'm actually out of my Aveda shampoo. So I've been needing some new shampoo and conditioner, and I have heard so many wonderful things about this shampoo and conditioner. This is the Television Perfect Hair Shampoo and Conditioner. The thing that I always look for in shampoos and conditioners is if they have the bad alcohol in them. There is an alcohol that's actually good for hair and skin, and it's the cetyl alcohol, and I believe I've already seen this, that is the alcohol it has. So it doesn't have any ingredients that's really going to dry it out. This shampoo and conditioner is supposed to soften, add shine and body, which is everything that every girl wants, is a little bit more volume, a little bit of shine. I'm so excited to try these. And the value of these two are $64. So perfect. Next, I have the Cuccio Epsom Salt Hand and Body Wash. Interesting. I've never heard of this. With lavender oil. This sounds so amazing. I've been looking for a good body wash. I get one from Target that I really like, but I've been looking for something that kind of moisturizes, and with this lavender oil in there, I bet it moisturizes and cleanses at the same time. And lavender, who doesn't like the scent of lavender? This has a relaxing blend of lavender oil, pro vitamin B, and shea butter, and the value of this one is $39.95. So many good items in this box. I'm so excited. I love it. Oh my gosh, I've been wanting to try something from Drybar. I've never been. We have them here in Lexington now. This is called the Prep Rally. It's the Prime and Prep Detangler. I'm always putting something on my hair as soon as I get out of the shower just to get it conditioned, and this would be a perfect product to put in. And I've heard so many wonderful things about their products. So this is a lightweight detangler. It uses biotin, vitamin B and C, and you just leave it in your hair to condition it, and this is valued at $23. Oh my gosh, I keep getting more and more excited about what's in this box. This is the original makeup eraser, so all you need with this is water. You need nothing else. It claims it'll remove waterproof mascara, everything from your makeup day. I'm so excited to try this out because I'm spending so much money, I feel like, on cleansers for my face, and nothing really works to get that mascara off and get all that grime off, so then you can put your skincare on. So you just use this with water, and then you can just put it in the wash and wash it and reuse it over and over. And I have one more item. How cute is this little bag? bag. Oh my gosh, it looks like it's a little crossbody. My girls are going to love this. Sadie Jo, the oldest, who I thought was going to be more of the girly one, is kind of more of the sporty one. She loves playing sports, so she would probably absolutely adore this. This is the Vooray Sidekick Crossbody Bag. And this is made of neoprene, so it makes it weather resistant. You can go for jogs with this, take this outside. Love it. I'm gonna hand this down to my girl. And I almost forgot, I have been wanting to find a good lash serum. This is called LashesMD. I was gonna try out the Rodent and Fields, but it was so expensive. It is an eyelash conditioner. It says, get the look you always wanted. See initial results in 3 weeks. Oh, this is awesome. This is valued at $69.95. Y'all, this box is nuts. It's amazing, insane. I'm so excited to have it. Again, if you guys are interested, I do have a discount code in the box below. Check that out. So many amazing things in here. Love it. Thank you again, FabFitFun. Say hi, they do. He's a good boy. Hi. Say hi. Woo-hoo. Thank you guys again for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.